Hello everyone. Let us discuss the how to generate certificate with add-on AutoCAD. Okay, this is the AutoCAD symbol. Next. So at the end of semi webinar or workshop, any faculty development program, as a convener of the program, you should have the responsibility to forward the link of feedback form at the end of the session of the webinar to the participants for their participation certificate. So that's why, as a convener of the program and a team of that program, they created one feedback form in using Google Forms. Okay, this is the feedback form. So in this feedback form, questions and responses also there. So in for the purpose of webinars and workshops programs, uh, we should go to the AutoCAD add-on for certificate generate. Okay, in this way, in the feedback form compulsory in the settings. Okay, in the settings we should mention in the general only limited to only one person, only one response, because of the in the feedback form for only this is for the only participation purpose. So that's why we should change whatever we don't want to the unlimited members. We want the limited members who are attended the who attended the for the webinar or workshop any program. So this is the feedback form. Okay, next you if we click the responses. Okay, after a click you get the this type of sheet symbol. This is the sheet symbol, spreadsheet symbol. You click the spreadsheet symbol, we have know how many members are filled the feedback form. Okay, I click on the this symbol, get the this box, select responses, destination. Okay, you create a new spreadsheet for feedback form responses. Okay, click the create. Okay, after click on create, get spreadsheet linked open, it displays. Okay, this one is the open. Okay, okay, the spreadsheet open. Okay, this is the feedback responses for a webinar workshop anything. You get the spreadsheet of their email address, name and designations and institutions, country, state, gender, whatever information are typed in your feedback form, those are all are displayed, and whatever they filled our participants fill on the form, it is going to displayed in the spreadsheet responses. So I'll open the responses sheet or spreadsheet. So after that we have the so many menus: file menu, edit menu, view, insert format, data, tools, form, add-ons, help. Okay, we would like to uh, generate a certificate. For the purpose, we should click on add-ons. So in the click add-ons, compulsory you don't have the any add-ons in this box. That's why get add-ons, click on get add-ons. Click after the click on get add-ons, you get the this box G Suite marketplace. So many type of add-ons are there, but for the purpose of certificate generate, click the AutoCAD. Click the AutoCAD, you get the install the AutoCAD. After the click on install, you get are ready to install. Yes, continue. Okay, after that compulsory you must sign in your Gmail account. After that it can ask the allow button, click on allow. After that click on allow, you get the AutoCAD has been installed, done. Okay, completed. Installation is completed. The add-on is installed. Get ready to generate your own certificate for the webinars. So this is the AutoCAD. Uninstall means already installed. If you want to uninstall, click on install. Okay. Okay, right. We get the, please see, add-ons. Before install the AutoCAD, we don't get the any add-ons. Only get add-ons and manage add-ons. After you install the AutoCAD, you get the AutoCAD add-on. Okay. Click the AutoCAD add-on. You get the open, import roster, get user key, help. Okay, we want to open the AutoCAD add-on. Okay, open. If open AutoCAD, it going to working. The symbol is going on working. Okay, open, working. That means the sheet is, the AutoCAD add-on is going to the opened. So after the opened the AutoCAD add-on, you get the box AutoCAD new merge jobs set up at, in this click as a webinar convener, and whatever technical assistance is there for the program, you click the new job, this red new job. After click the new job, you get the first step is name your merge job. What job you want to merge in this sheet, in this AutoCAD. So first step, name your merge job. Job name means whether it is online workshop, online webinar, online faculty development program, you type that name only. Webinar, for what purpose you can we can use the AutoCAD add-on for webinar e-certificate. Okay, you type in the job name webinar e-certificate. Okay, webinar certificate I type. In this we have the cancel, save, back, next. Okay, these are so many settings are there in the AutoCAD for the merge. These are all are the things. So that's why this is one, number one, name your job merge job. Next, choose template. Choose template means whatever you have a certificate in your drive or photos, images, whatever it may be. So compulsory you upload your certificate from drive. Okay, click on drive, select, click on drive and select. Already I have created the certificate for the webinar. This is the template already created for AutoCAD purpose. So next select, click on that, next select. So upload the certificate, you got it. Okay, before that we don't have this choose template from drive, no template selected yet. Okay, after the select it, you get the e-certificate. Okay, after that you click the next. Okay, this one, next. Next, third is map source data to template. Okay, what are the sources you have to give in your in your feedback form? So full name, designation, institution, place. I have given the four: full name, designation, and also email address also there. Okay, the sources are, okay, first you have to this scroll bar is there, blue line. We click the arrow button, small arrow button, black arrow button is, click on that. Whatever give the whatever information you have given in your feedback form, that details are there: email address, full name, designation, institution, place. These are all displayed. Okay, you can, after click on this blue line, you get these are all are the click to copy to board. Okay, if you want to full name, click whenever you click, this is the display is the blue. Okay, after click, you you can you can control, you can this one first we want a full name. Okay, that's why this is control V, click on control V, and you click on, these are all a small small arrow buttons are there, you can click it, you same things, whatever this things in same things displayed in this also map sources. So that's why full name, designation. Next one is the institution. Next also there, next one, how many in details you have given, those are all details are sources are there for mapping. So these are all okay, all are added, full name, designation, in institution. Next scroll down, we can get the place also there. Okay, these are all are the in details are filled, are I have already given in the feedback form. Okay, next file settings. In the file settings, file name, type of the certificate. File name, what is the file name? First, whatever file name means, it's a full name, and webinar certificates means this column is merged in your spreadsheet. Okay, in your spreadsheet response sheet. Full name, that is the greater left less than bracket, greater than symbols. Okay, greater than, but in between you type the full name. Okay, this blue line is there, vertical blue line, click on vertical blue line, you get the full name. Click on full name and control V in the, and tap the webinar certificate. Okay, this is displayed in the spreadsheet after the merging running the job. And type, it is a type, PDF is there, Google Slides is there, but we have the PDF only. And output as merge, multiple output mode, and single output. Okay, single output means, so all certificates send to the one person's also, all certificates. So multiple output means one certificate is sent to the one person. So after that you click the next. Okay, after next, choose destination. Okay, I have already created. Okay, in the all options, autocrat below webinar certificate, already we have given the file name. Okay, that's why with this file webinar certificate displayed all these step by step things. Next, choose destination folder, we have the my drive, because why the my destination is my drive, I uploaded the certificate from my drive, that's why my drive is there. Next, you click the next button. Okay, add dynamic folder reference. Okay, it is not it is not, it is need to in these things. Next, okay, next, set merge condition. Next, there is no need to write anything. Okay, next. Okay, next, save docs and send emails, this is a very important. Okay, in this, add allow collaboration to share. Yes, compulsory we have clicked the yes, add collaborations, whatever the information you have typed, share the information to the participants. That means you don't disable the yes, compulsory you enable the yes, share the information, collab the information to the participants. Okay, yes. Next thing is, in this two, two is there, in this two we should type the that compulsory email address. Okay, this email address is there, control C and control V, you get the next slide. This is the things, share docs and emails. Email address means the certificate is sent to the, forwarded to the email address. Okay, this is email address compulsory, you should type all the vertical blue line shows the full name, email address, click on that thing and control V, that is the email address should be copied pasted. Next, in this I typed webinar e-certificate, and I typed the, that's whatever information after the completion of webinar, whatever the information I desire to send the participants, I typed the content of the body of the information to the participants after the completion of the webinar for the certificate sending purpose. Congratulations dear participant, compulsory you have to mention the this full name. I successfully completed the webinar and thanks for your active participation in this webinar. After that, you click the next button. Okay, this is information. So enter title of the subject, congratulations full name, and docs and share to email address. Next, add remove job triggers. Okay, in this run on form trigger. Run on form trigger means if you enable the yes after the submission of the feedback form by the participants, by the within fraction of minute they can the participant can get the certificate after the submission of the feedback form for the webinar purpose. And next, no means after the running the job, after all, if the 100 participants are attended the program and they fill the feedback form, so after the getting the all the information of the participants, you can run the job, they can get the certificate. Okay, if you enable the yes compulsory, that is a feedback form, enter their feedback form, they can get the certificate. Okay, and run on time trigger. Okay, this is all, this is not necessary, but these are all things for the autocrat purpose. Okay, next you can the all are steps are discussed in that steps are I filled all the details in the autocrat steps. Next, we can have this is the last step, add remove job triggers, cancel, save, back. Okay, if you want to check, you go the back once again. Okay, the all the information filled correctly or not for the certificate generation purpose. Okay, you have to check back, and no, otherwise I can do everything very well. You can save this red button. Okay, save. So after this save, you have the saving job webinar certificate. This is why the webinar certificate displayed the first job name we have given the webinar certificate. Okay, saving. Next, webinar certificate. After the getting the all the information, you run the job. This is the run job. Okay, run. Next, running job webinar certificate. One row will be, okay, I have the only one row example. The one row will be merged. If so many rows are there, 100 participants, some take the time. After the running the job, the documents were merged. The certificate is also merged in this, and this is the link also given. Okay, this is the candidate name, Dr. D. Ashish Mahit, and this is the Google drive.google.com. This is the destination of our certificate. So this is the certificate participant name displayed. Okay, the document successfully created, document successfully merged, PDF content. Okay, whatever we have in mentioned in this autocrat steps, those are all are the things I've successfully merged in this spreadsheet of the responses. So the certificate is going to the email after the running. Okay, the participant get the certificate to their from their email. Okay, this is the certificate. In this webinar, certificate means there's a job name. Congratulations, dear participant, Dr. D. Ashish Mahit, for successfully whatever information typed in the share docs and send emails, that is displayed in this subject box. So this is a subject name, job name. This is the content of the body information to the participants. This is the file name. Okay. Next, the participant get the certificate. After click on that, they get the certificate. This is the only model certificate. No one is there in this institution, but I created one name and inserted in this only. Okay, this is the for your how generate certificate through the autocrat only. In the autocrat, we have mentioned the less than symbols, greater than symbol, you have to remember, and you have are the full name, designation, and designation, institution, place, all are things you compulsory you mentioned in the form. The whatever the mentioned details in the form, those are all are things displayed in this source, in this autocrat. Okay, this is the thing. Thank you.